much did you have on this?
$1.
Okay. Chop. Come on, come pick up your chop. Pick up your truck and put it back in the bag. Your stuffed animals? How much on your cork tiles?
$1 piece.
Okay.
Back to 11.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
4. Who do I pay?
Her.
4?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, yeah.
Scoot that back down, make a little bit more room for yourself, kiddo.
And then I got the several. You said he likes them. And then clear water revival. I think I recognize some of these ones that are on there. I just don't have record. Record player. Okay. Okay. Thank you. 75. You guys probably don't take cards, do you?
No.
Okay, I live in this neighborhood. I'll have to run home and go get some
Okay,
cash.
yeah. That's fine, honey, we can hold it for you. And we've got the small,
I think there's 10 here.
Small finals over here.
Yeah. I think there's 10 in here if I counted it right. In the city down here. For my brother. Oh, I've got it. There's a box there. I can't with it. Here, hang on just a second. Here it is right here. I kept everything together, so $2 for the whole thing. And that's your box and other, you know, attachments and so forth, okay? $2. I wanted to have a box to see what it was.
Is it missing one?
Hmm?
Is it missing one? Like in the middle, is that supposed to be one?
I felt it earlier.
Oh.
I felt it when I was flipping through. This is one of my favorite albums. So cool.
Here we go. $15.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, you guys have a great day.
You too.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's like seeing Louisiana.
Yeah.
Right there.
Getting close to Christmas. It looks awful Christmassy too.
That $2 thing is yours, right?
Posted it, and she said I'll post the dark right.
You're pulling everything off, but
Put it down.
I'm sure she'd like it.
How much are your flush?
For $1 a piece.
Said it. What?
It says.
Oh, I didn't see it. It was priced. I didn't read it. They're all stuck together.
I know, that's why I didn't want to use these ones.
I know, that's why you gave me one.
You got 3.
I don't know if it matters, but that one little guy, the purple one, he came in a little bag. If you want the bag, it goes with it. I forget
Oh,
what
is
these
that the
things are
one?
called. They're some sort of Disney thing.
Yeah, that was on the, what, flower from?
Yes, that's what it is. So I think he goes in this if you, I don't know how it goes,
I'm sure my
but,
daughter.
okay. I know that goes together.
There's $3. Thank you so much.
Pues sí, pero. Oye, pues sí, pero.
Cracked it. Never mind. What is this?
It's their eBay store. Yeah, they brought out their eBay store. Isn't that funny?
You were right.
Did it break it?
Nope.
Oh.
I'm done. And he was too.
Well, until we got so busy, it's like, I'm burning up. The, pimento cheese.
What's that?
Pimento cheese.
That's what came in
And a cheese spread.
And so many of the older people like it for orange juice and stuff.
Yes.
Oh, what do you have on these?
25 cents each for blank tapes is what it says.
What we got? 75.
Jelly, right?
Yes.
Well, if you
175.
said those look
Thank
like
you.
little miniature jelly jars.
Sure, push. And probably Monday.
Mm, 50 cents.
Gotta replenish my quarters.
There's some in the car.
It.
There you go, sir.
All right,
Thank you. Have a good day.
That's $3.75.
I think that bag's probably worth 40. That one right there is from 1983.
Okay.
She next to me with a modern. Whoops.
No, you just have to go to the corner. Or there's DVDs on this side, somewhere. And then that other further corner has other.
Okay. Yeah, I can't see. My head's up in the air.
Vito now.
That better not have been thunder.
Rain.
So at the first garage sale, we picked up the fiber optic glow Christmas tree. It was $2. I'm gonna try to sell it locally. I don't want to ship it. It's probably $20, $30. We also picked up a couple of holsters. This one I found interesting because it said made in Korea. It was $2. And then this one is a rawhide from Richardson, Texas. It's for a Beretta or a Taurus. It was $1, so I figured that would be an easy, quick sell. And then at one of the other stops, we picked up a handful of things. The Rummy Cube is probably the only thing for resale. The red ornaments will be for our outdoor tree, probably that one right there. The two drawers will be for another project to display our Lego figures, and then the Lazy Susan Christmas rocking around the Christmas table will be for personal decoration. And then at another sale, we picked up a large Tupperware cake holder. It was $4. We're gonna sell it locally for about $20. And then we picked up the two Lego boxes for personal use. At another sale, plush were $1 each. We ended up with the two Jellycats. We sold Jellycat before in the past. I thought these two would make a good pair because they're opposite colors. And then the purple Stitch, not sure if that's a female Stitch or a different Stitch, but there's that one. At another sale, we picked up at a quarter a piece 7 sealed blank tapes. Wad them up, put them together, and then make an easy, nice lot at a sale. I don't believe it was on camera, maybe it was. We picked up a pair of Doc Martens. They are youth, they were 5. Clean them up, probably list them for about 30. At one sale we picked up this Sony Walkman, just a basic radio. It is 50 cents, and the battery compartment was clean. At one sale we did get some vinyl were $3 a piece. When we pulled up, there was another individual looking at them. When I walked by, I was nosy and I saw the Beatles Red 62 to 66 sitting there, and she left it, so I figured I would want to look through as well. I also grabbed Pink Floyd The Wall, Leon Russell Leon Live, one of my favorite albums, Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young, Deja Vu, and then mixed in with the vinyl was a laser disc of Paul Simon, and I still have a laser disc player, so I thought I may watch it in the far future. Another sale, $1 a piece, 3 CD box sets, George Jones, Marty Robbins, and Ernie Ford. They will probably sell for about $15, maybe $20 shipped, at $1 a piece. They're in really good shape. The discs are clean and all the discs were there. At one garage sale we picked up a skateboard. It's an independent. It's got the independent trucks. The wheels sound good. I'll probably just pop off the trucks and the wheels. At another sale we ended up picking up a couple personal use items, the calendar and some corkboard, but we did get some baby Jordans, Celtic Way 7Cs. Cleaned them up. They were probably $20, maybe $25. At one sale we picked up a handful of things, including these 2 little stools. They'll probably be a local flip, probably $5 to $10 each, maybe 20 for the pair, and just make someone buy both of them. We also picked up a reusable bag. This may be a grocery bag or a flea market bag in the future, but it has a bunch of stuff that has to do with Oklahoma on it. And then we picked up a pair of Allen Edmonds, the Allen Edmonds Sanford, which we sold for in the past, and they always seem to sell really well. A couple more things. We went to a sale, a huge, what we call it, the quarter toy sale, because everything's super cheap. Got a big bag of Star Wars characters. Not really sure. I think most of them are more modern stuff, but there is an Ewok mixed in from '83, so I figured it was worth the $10. And then maybe our best sale, and it was off camera, where we picked up some felt ornaments. We picked up this Hello Kitty stocking, which will probably sell for about $20, $25 by itself. This Toshiba cassette player, if it does work and everything, it's probably $50 to $80, depending on how well it works and the right time, how many are listed. And then we picked up 2 miscellaneous bags of aviation electronics, some really fancy headphones with the microphone, and then at the very bottom there is this flight calculator, the Sporty's E6B electronic flight computer. This is the only thing I looked up, but if it's working and in good shape, it'll sell for $40 by itself. And then we also picked up another pair of aviation headphones, and we've sold a couple pairs in the past before. Flightcom Blackhawk model 5DX. I'd probably $20 to $30 on each of the headsets, and we paid $10 for each bag, and then $1 a piece on the 3 other things. This is just a recap of day 1 of the unannounced citywide garage sale. Day 2 will follow shortly. And then at the one garage sale, you may have seen the individual with all the Christmas cutouts. He used to put blow molds at his house all the time, but kept, as he put it, blowing away. Once we turned off the camera, we decided to go back and pick this one up. We thought this was very nice. It was $35, but it's pretty much the price of a modern day blow mold at either Walmart or Lowe's or something like that. And then we did pick up 2 porch Christmas trees. They are flocked. They've got that weird snow-like texture to it. We will be flipping these locally. We've flipped porch trees before. They always seem to go fairly quickly. Probably ask about $50 to $60 for the pair.